Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. This hadith which I am going to read today, it is from Bukhari, which is the most authentic book of Hadith. And it says that Ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu qala qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam buniya al-Islam ala khamsin shahadati an la ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu wa iqamis salati wa ita'i zakati wa hajjil bayti wa sawmi Ramadan. The translation is that Hazrat Ibn Umar, that means the son of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Abdullah ibn Umar, he reports that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Islam is based on 5 pillars. Here the word is on 5, it means 5 pillars. And the first one, Shahadati Allah ilaha illallah, to bear witness that there is none worthy of worship except Allah. Wa anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu, and that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his servant and messenger. Wa iqamis salati, and second pillar is to observe prayer. Then by ita'i zakati, and to pay the zakat, almsgiving. Wa hajjil bayti, and to perform pilgrimage to the house of Allah, house of God. That's in Mecca. Wa sawmi Ramadana, and the 5th one is to observe fasting in the month of Ramadan. Yesterday I read 6 articles of faith, and these are 5 pillars of Islam. This is a minimum requirement from a Muslim to know and to practice as well. 6 articles of faith are there to believe in certain things, to believe in Allah, the angels, and so on and so forth. But these pillars of Islam are for practicing. That only belief is not enough. So, the first thing is to bear witness. Now here it is not that you should believe in this. Belief is already done in the 6th article of faith. Now you have to tell the whole world that there is no God except Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his servant and messenger. So that is basically the preaching, tabligh. The second pillar of Islam is to observe prayers. So now 5 prayers are compulsory, obligatory, that is Fajr, Zuhr, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. And if a person miss even one prayer and doesn't offer it late, if it so happens, then all his prayers are gone, wasted. So it is very essential that if for any reason a person was unable to offer prayer in time, he or she must do it late and do istighfar, and then next time should be careful about it. About the zakat, that is the minimum requirement is that the zakat become obligatory when somebody has got at least 7.5 tola gold or equivalent money. And tola means 11.7 gram weight, that is tola. So if a person has saving for whole 1 year and doesn't use it, then this zakat will become obligatory upon him. So in other words, zakat is on saving, is not on income. Our general chandas, they are on the income, but the zakat is on saving. Now in the month of Ramadan, if somebody will pay the zakat, the benefit will be that he will have 70 times more reward than paying in other months. This is what the Holy Prophet ﷺ has said. So, although it's not must that one should pay in the month of Ramadan, because it depends when his year will be completed. But if we make this habit that we should will pay in the month of Ramadan, it is better. Now, the ladies who have got some jewelry, they should also see, and they should pay this, and it is obligatory every year, not only once in life. The next thing is Hajjul Bait, the pilgrimage to the house of Allah. That is, if somebody can afford, and his health is also good, and other circumstances as well. So once in life is compulsory, and then if he wants to go more than that, that's up to him. Then the fasting in the month of Ramadan. Now, alhamdulillah, we are passing through this month. Those who are healthy and those who are not on journey, they must fast from dawn to dusk. And also they should abstain from all kind of evil things, and especially, quarreling and talking nonsense and bad things. So these are 5 pillars of Islam. In our pledges, usually, always there is in the beginning this kalima shahada, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. So this is the duty of all the teachers of religious education, and also all the parents, that they should make sure that their children know these 6 articles of faith and 5 pillars of Islam, and then they should also practice it. May Allah enable all of us to do so. Ameen. Jazakumullah khair.